Hello guys, this video we are going to learn how to solve these two questions, and the question says that add the terms that make each of the following a perfect square and factorize the results. So we are going to ask something that can make this value that can make this expression to a perfect square, and also what factorize the result. In my previous video I used different method, but in this video I'm going to use another method. Let's get started. So A, we have 3z squared plus 10z. If you look at it, the coefficient of the one that carry the highest power it has coefficient. The one that have highest power have coefficient, which means I have to remove that. We have to work with the coefficient by removing the word 3 out. We have 3 open bracket z squared plus 10. Since that this 3 is not a fraction, I'll divide it by this value, which is divided by 3, then z. Close the bracket. Now, is this one that is in the bracket? I'm going to find what can be added to it to make it a perfect square. And in my video, I use something that have open bracket something. But in this case, I'm going to use a very short method, another method. Use this formula: b squared is equals to 4ac, where c is the value I'm looking for to make this expression a perfect square. If you look at it, the coefficient of z squared here is 1, which is a, serve as my a. The coefficient of z here is 10 over 3, which serve as my b. Which means in this expression, my a is equal to 1, my b is equal to 10 over 3, while my c is unknown, is what I'm looking for. So we now have, using this formula, what is my b? 10 over 3 all square is equals to 4 times, what is a? A is 1, then times c. C is what I'm looking for. So this one is 10 times 3, which is 100, all over 3 times 3, 9. Is equals to 4c over 1, cross multiply. 4c times 9, we have 36, c is equals to 100. Divide both sides by 36, 36. 36 cancel 36, c is equals to 100 all over 36. And I told you have to express this one to the lowest term. 2 here we have 50, 2 here we have 18, 2 here we have 25, and 2 here we have 9. Which means 25 over 9, it can be added to this expression to make it a perfect square. Which means the equation will change to 3 open bracket z squared plus 10 over 3z plus what I have, 25 over 9. Then I now find a way to what? To factorize this. How can I factorize this? It's 3 open bracket. What is the square root of this square, which is z, plus, because all this one is plus plus. Assuming that one of it is minus, I'll use minus. So now it's plus. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3. And here we only have one letter, which means this one will not carry any letter. Close bracket all square. Which means I have factorized this one to be this, which means this is equal to this. We now have 3 open bracket z squared plus 10 over 3 z plus 25 all over 9 is now equal to what is this? 3 open bracket z plus 5 over 3 all square. I'm done with question A. When B part of the question, I'll use my previous method. So that those that have not watched it before should watch it now. I'll use another method for it, which is a squared plus 8hk. So this one doesn't have coefficient. It's very, very easy. What I'm going to do is to actually find what can be added to it to make it a perfect square. And the formula I use, you use 1 over 2, then b all square. This is what you are going to use. 1 over 2 b is equals to all square. It's 1 over 2. Remember, times b. B in this equation is 8 all square. Which is 1 times 8 is 8 all over 2, then all square. 8 divided by 2 is 4, which is square, which is equals to 16. Which means 16 can be added to this expression to make it a perfect square. Which means that the equation is to change to 8h squared plus 8hk plus 16. This is a change to a quadratic expression now. Now I'm finding a way to make it factorize it. How can I factorize it? What is square root of h? H. Now all the sign here is plus, which is plus. Square root of 16 is 4. And this one carry two letters, h and k. I've already used h, now I'm using k, then all square. So this is it. Now I want to also, now let's confirm it. The previous method I used before, if it's worked for this. Remember when I'm looking for what can be added to the equation, I use b squared is equal to 4ac. Let's try it and see. Let's say b squared is equal to 4ac in this one if you have 16. What is my b here is what? 8 squared is equal to 4 times a is 1, then c. 8 times 8 is 64 is equal to 4c. Divide both sides by 4 by 4. Let's cancel this. C is equal to 4 here, we have 16. 16 divided by 1 is what? 16. See, we have confirmed that if you use any of these method, you are going to have the same answer. Thank you and peace.